Hello everyone, welcome to IC Training Nepal, and if you have not subscribed this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I'm here with the new episode. But before that, if you want to subscribe the channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, so that I will get more and more. So for that, what you can do is like you can just go to the YouTube, and what you are searching is like ICT Training Nepal. So let's go there, and here you can just click the subscribe button, or you can see the video. Okay, so you can see the video here. There are a lot of videos, and up to 9 episodes we have been so far. Okay, so for the new episode, let's go for it. Okay, so we have here localhost, what we have done so far, and this is the 10th episode. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I'm in here the working things. So let's see what we have done so far here. Okay, so for that, what you can do is just click the CTRL or the control and T and see the wave. Okay, so here you can just see what we have done so far, maybe the customer details. Let's see here. Okay, the customer details. Okay, so we have the customer details up and running. Maybe let's see. Okay, here dashboard, and in the dashboard we have payment and customer details, right? So we have the customer details up and running, maybe, right? So we have not put here, but let's see here customer detail. Okay, customer detail. Okay, we have the customer details, right? So let's create one. So new John Kumar. So ABC. Maybe there will be some phone number. There will be, and country and address. So address, town, district, postal code, and other notes. So let's submit here. Okay, we have up and running here. If you want to delete it, it will be deleted. Okay, so these things we have. Okay, so the other thing what we have to make is, let's go and see what we have to make. The other thing is the payment. Okay, so for payment, let's see what we have in the payment model. Okay, so the total, customer type, customer ID, and status. Okay, so these things we have done already. So we have a total, customer type, customer ID, and status. Okay, total. So for that, what you can do is, let's go and make, first of all, here you can just see if we have the payment or not. Let's see in the, okay, in the, so this is from scratch. Okay, so don't worry if you are just a beginner. You just have to watch the video from the episode 1 for that, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we have here, let's make one payment and close this episode, and next episode we will talk about more. Okay, and let's go the episode by episode so that it will be easy for you to. Okay, we have already made the payment here. Okay, so in the create, what we need is, okay, this other thing is gone. Okay, what is happening there? I know what's going on. Okay, so we have the payment controller. Okay, so, and we have the cost payment also model. So okay, so we have the model payment, and let's make here index of the payment. Okay, this is the index of the payment. So here what you can do is, we have already made it. Okay, so let's go to our payment controller first, and the index, let's call the index of the payment. So for that, what you can do is payment equal to payment all. Okay, so and return view, and let's talk about payment. So website dot backend dot payment dot index. Okay, we have this so far. Let's go and see it will work or not. So let's make the payment and let's see what will happen. Okay, so the unexpected syntax error. Okay, so for that, just see here, give the syntax. So I'm going to just do one by one. Okay, so that the every error you can just, so this is the undefined variable product. So for that, what you can do is just go to index section, and here you just have to change the section. Sorry, so here you can just have to first of all change here. Okay, and here payment as anything. Okay, so here what you can do is, this is the this is category, this taken from the category. Okay, so here what you can do is customer detail. Okay, so we need the, you can just go there, customer detail, copy this one and just paste this one, we are calling from here. Okay, and we have maybe the customer name. Okay, so let's see for that. Okay, I don't know if it is right or not wrong, so you have to see here, you are going to fetch the data from the contact, sorry, not contact, from the customer detail. Okay, so here you have to fetch the data, so not the controller we have, we need to go to the model. Okay, so payment, not the payment, customer detail. Okay, f name. Okay, we need the first name, we don't need the last name. So let's see, first name, we need here the first name. Okay, not in the payment controller, we need this in the index. Okay, so I don't know where the index is gone, vanished maybe. Okay, let's go, don't be so much funny. Okay, let's go here. So I think if you like the video, okay, so don't forget to like it. Okay, so that for me, you know, it will be helpful for me, and I'll see, oh, there are a lot of video, people are liking my video. So we have the customer detail, first name, and okay, we are going to take from the customer details. Okay, so here another thing what we can do is just go towards the last name. Okay, we don't need last name here. So here we need this total, payment type, and status. Customer ID we have already. So total, payment type, and status. Okay, so we have the total and payment type, and we will have the status. Okay, so okay, total, payment type, status. Okay, we have all the things here, so let's change it something here. So here what we have, the payment dot create, to create the, okay, so add payment. So what will happen is, in the payment it will automatically made from there, but in the backend also we are making for the easiness. Okay, so here you can just make the payment, so customer and here in the product name just payment type. Okay, maybe total first of all. So total. Okay, so total. So here payment type and the status. Okay, so customer total payment type status, customer total payment type and status. Okay, so here total payment, so status. Okay, and we don't need this description. Okay, so another thing what we can do here is, here you just have to delete this one, and here now the product, it will be the payment, right? So the other thing here, it will be payment, right? So okay, maybe this is right so far, so let's see it will work or not. Okay, so let's refresh it, and we have the payment undefined. Okay, so what happened is, like, you just have to go to the payment controller and you have to call this payment. Okay, so don't forget that I'm trying to make you understand from scratch. Okay, so payment, right? So we have the payment. So in this type, I think the tutorial of the e-commerce which I am making, this is very much different from the other one because many of the video are vast. Okay, so I'm doing here from scratch. And another thing what I'm going to say, that I'm doing here like like how the beginner coder can code. Okay, so don't think that it won't worth it, because it will be worth it for you also. And I will go step by step for everything, so don't get bored, right? I hope you won't get bored. So let's refresh it. Okay, we have the payment and customer payment, total payment, payment type and status. Okay, so in the add payment we have the create section, and it will go towards nowhere. Okay, because we haven't specified. So here what we can do is, in the create section, here for each product category as procat, what we can specify, what I will specify is customer detail. Okay, so detail as, and it doesn't matter here. So sorry, so here what we can do is customer. Okay, customer. So here customer. Okay, the value will be there and the name will be, so the name will be, what will be the name? Maybe customer ID, right? Customer ID, and the brand name, so we don't need, so F name maybe. Okay, we have the F name. So let's see what will happen. So here what you can just call is, we have the create payment. Okay, so the other thing what we can do here is, we want the other one option also, but before that let's see here what we can do here is, we have the payment and we need the total, right? So here you can just see the total. Okay, so total, and okay, we have the total here. Okay, so total amount, right? Okay, we have a total amount here, and we have the price. In the price we don't need this price. What we need is, let's go here, payment type and the status. Okay, so we have already called the status, so we need the payment type. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do here is little different. So not so different, just normal one, so don't be scared of that. So just I want to do is like I want to, okay, done here. So I don't need this, not for, at least not for now. Okay, so I want to copy this one, right? So I want to copy this, and what I'm going to do is provide category. This is another provide category. This is the customer name, right? Customer name, okay, name and the total, and what we need, another one is the type. Okay, so payment type. So in the payment type, what we can do here is here payment type, and we don't need this for each, at least not for now. So just delete this, and here what you can do here is in value you can just put the value will be like, okay, so I'm going to put the value, the one value will be, what will be one value, cash. Okay, so cash on delivery. Okay, cash on delivery. So okay, sorry, what I will need to make cash. Okay, so cash, and here in name what you can do is specify this payment type. So payment type, and here will be the cash on delivery, and the other one is just copy this and paste it another one, and you can just use the different type of source. So here I want to use one is card. Okay, so just, okay, we have the payment type cash and we have the payment type card. Okay, so this here card. Okay, so card, so cash or card. Okay, so for now I'm specifying this, and but you can specify the gift cards and other things. Okay, so it will be your, okay, so I think I need to just, okay, now it's right maybe. So let's see here, let's refresh it, nothing appeared. Okay, it is because the customer details, sorry, the payments we have here and the payment controller we have here is in the create section, we have nothing. Okay, so what we need is, first of all, we need the customer detail equal to customer detail all. Okay, the other thing we need is return and view and website dot backend and payment and index. Okay, so not the index, create. So what I'm doing here is specifying here, and in the previous video I have already told you before. So compact, so we are compacting the data, and it will be the customer detail, right? So let's refresh it, let's put this, let's refresh here, and let's see the magic. Okay, so we have the customer name here, and we have the, there will be the, okay, sorry, okay, this is the cash on delivery, this will be the total. Okay, cash or card. Okay, so the total one. So for that, I know what's mistake going on always, so let's see those mistakes in the create. Okay, so we have maybe there will be some mistake. Okay, let's refresh it. Let's see what's going on. I don't know what's going on here. So we have this, okay, we have this label. We don't need the product category. This is another product category. Okay, so we don't need a product category. Let's refresh it. I don't know what's going on here. I mean, like, always it happens, right? Okay, we have this div here. So here is not a problem, so the problem will be here maybe. So we have not the product category, we have here is the payment type, right? So okay, so let's see again, and we don't need a product create, we need the payment, right? Payment create. Okay, we need this one. Maybe there is some problem usually arise. Okay, we have the select control here, we have everything, and what's wrong going on then? So just delete this one, maybe sometimes happens. Okay, we don't need this. So we have, okay, we have the total. So here also, okay, here there is a mistake of selector. Okay, so we need to, okay, done. Maybe it will work out. Okay, so we have a total amount and cash and delivery. So we need to submit this, right? And for that, what we can do is here just you need to change something. Okay, so first of all here, okay, let's see where the form. Okay, so here just see payment.store and go to the payment controller, and let's store it here. For that, what you can just do is in the store section, let's make the, okay, payment. Okay, you can just do the directly, right? So create maybe, okay, so here just to request and all. Okay, so we need to just do this. Okay, maybe it will work out, hope so. So and return, where you want to return is return redirect, maybe return redirect and route. Okay, return redirect and route. Let's see route where, okay, payment dot index. Okay, so let's refresh it and let's refresh here, and we have this one 5,000 and cash and delivery. Let's submit it. Okay, so customer ID doesn't have a default value, right? So let's see, customer ID don't have customer ID. Okay, so let's go to our payment. We have the customer ID, just copy that, and let's see towards the create. Okay, so this is the and this is the payment. Okay, this is the payment create, and let's see. Okay, here customer ID. So there is some mistake here. What I want to do is just refresh it again, and 5,000, just submit it. So trying to get f name from the non-object. Okay, so what will happen is maybe there is some error again. F name. Okay, so let's see here, and let's go towards the, let's see. Okay, we have the payment controller maybe, or we should have the customer detail. Okay, so f name, this is right thing here, and what's happened, just payments. Okay, function, this has many payments we have. Okay, right here, and let's see from the payment we have, this belongs to app models and customer details. Okay, so everything is right here, right? So what we can do is, let's see the customer detail. Okay, so customer detail. So customer detail. Okay, so what we have here in the, let's go towards the here and the payment index, and what you can just see here is customer detail. Just paste it. Okay, sorry, paste it, f name, customer detail. Okay, customer. So let's check it again, customer detail, and let's paste here again. So let's see what happened. Okay, let's refresh it. So what it says that there is some mistake, and the mistake is the customer detail. Okay, so let's resolve it again. So sometimes it happens. Okay, so let's change it out here. Let's see the customer. Okay, so maybe you have to go through this type of thing through the documentation. Okay, so let's try this by using the only customer. Okay, making that thing, and let's refresh it, and okay, then you have these things. Okay, so we have this customer, and okay, we have the cash, okay, payment and status. Okay, so we have everything here, and what we need again is the edit and the delete section. Okay, so for that you can just, what you can just do is, let's go to the payment controller, and let's see the edit section. Okay, so before that what you can do is, okay, let's go to the index. Okay, not the index one. So let's go to the create section, and you can do it, just create. Okay, so from this section you can just copy, and oh, sorry, you can just copy. I don't know, this laptop is going old and the control is not working, so please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, maybe I will be getting the good laptop one day, and maybe I will be showing my face also for the interaction, but for now, because of the scarcity of the laptops and other things, so let's see, update. Okay, so where we have is, okay, let's, okay, okay, here we have, okay, item group. Okay, just delete this one, paste it, and let's change something here. So what we need to change is, I don't know what's going on here. We have the customer details, everything is right. Okay, let's change in the payment. Okay, payment update, and let's change to the payment ID. So we have this customer detail also, so we don't need to change anything here. In total we can just change here, we can just give the value here and just say the payment, and let's go towards the payment, and we will have to see the total, right? Okay, so another thing is everything is right here, so don't worry for that. So done, here is also everything is done. Payment type, okay, everything is done here. Let's go towards our payment controller and let's see in the edit section. Okay, the last thing we need to do is the update, right? So in the update, in the payment, just payment update, so everything is okay here. So let's go controller and let's see. First of all, what we need is make another thing got customer detail, right? So equal to customer detail and all. Okay, so let's see another thing, return. Okay, return view, or you can just route also, it doesn't matter. If you want route, just go to the route. So website dot backend dot, we have the payment here and update, maybe, yeah, it's update. Compact we have, and under section is called customer detail. Okay, so maybe let's see what happens. So we have this edit, update not found. Okay, so okay, maybe it will work out. Let's refresh it. Undefined variable payment. Okay, so you need to just, what you need to do is just pass the variable payment also. Okay, so payment, let's refresh it. Okay, we have everything here, and in the update, let's make it simple. We have this payment, so don't worry, you don't need to do anything because we don't have the images or those type of things. So what we can do is payment and update. So I need to update all the requests. Okay, so let's update it and let's return. Okay, let's return redirect and to the route. The route will be the payment dot index, right? So done here, and in the destroy function also we need the payment equal to, maybe not equal to, delete. Okay, and just copy this, just paste it here, copy and paste it here. Okay, wow, you have done the great work. So let's see it will work. So we have 100, 100,000, 10,000. Let's submit it. 10,000. Okay, done. Let's make new one again. 5,000. Submit it. Okay, done. So the other thing we need is okay, say 2000 and done. Let's rate it to 2500 or 25. Submit. Let's delete this one, another one also. So we have these things, right? We have deleted, edit and edited the payment. So thank you for watching the video, and in the other video I will be going through the other things. But before deleting those things, okay, so before, let's connect these things, okay, before we will be sign out. Let's go and connect these things. So for that, what you can do is go to the layout section and the sidebar section. We have the customer details, so customer detail and payment, right? So these things done, and let's push the things which we have worked today. So git push origin master, okay, maybe it will work out. Okay, I hope. And GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub, okay, so let's sign in using the GitHub. Okay, maybe I know what's going on. Okay, so GitHub signing not enabled now, so the net is not running now, but I will be uploading it, so don't worry for that. So thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to share among your friends. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.